We have tulips. The two varieties I planted are Pink Sound and Angelique. Pink Sound is bright pink and Angelique is multi-petaled and resembles a beautiful peony. I love pink tulips because they're less common than red and yellow kinds, and tulips are one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, signaling the end of the very long winter period. My varieties bloom in late spring, and you can pick up some tulips that bloom in early spring, some in mid-spring, and some in late spring, so you can have a longer bloom period of beautiful tulips in your garden. Tulips attract pollinators. You will need to protect it from deer and rabbit. It is not safe for cats and dogs to eat it. Also, it's a good idea to deadhead spent blooms, but keep the leaves intact to redirect the energy to the bulb for the next year. Please note, tulips are not the most reliable when it comes to reblooming the following spring. Less than half of my tulips grow back the following year, and some get eaten by rabbits. So a lot of people like to replant more tulip bulbs every fall to replenish their supply. If you're looking for more beautiful plants, click the flower to subscribe and check out this next video.